Hello, my name's Half Job George. Welcome to the Half Job George Restoration channel. We've got a bit of a different thing going on for you today, so I hope you enjoy it. Stick around. Hopefully you've already seen the videos on me rebuilding my front leaf springs. Today we're going to take a look at the rear ones. Now when I started this project, I wasn't really sure if leaf spring rebuilding was a thing. I had to ask a friend, and he had a look at my springs and he said, well, as long as the clips haven't bust apart, you should be okay to rebuild them. I took that to mean that if you have a spring with the clips that are bust apart, there's no need to rebuild it. So here we go. Now I've been to my local garage and I've purchased one of these medium duty bench protector sets. They sell them in most petrol stations and newsagents across the country. So that's that all wire brush down. Now I thought the next thing to do would be put the new bushes in, but then I wondered why I was spending so much money on bushes and when I could just make one out of wood. So I got myself a piece of 2x2 and I've sanded down the end of that. I'm just going to hammer that into the end of this, and then I'll make another one, do the same again on the other end. Then I'll just drill the holes afterwards when the spring hangers line up so we know where to put them. Okay, so I'm just going to go straight now to the painting. I've got my bush in there. That's quite a nice snug fit, so I'm quite happy with that. I found this old paint that's lying around. It's got a bit of a skin on, but I think it'll be okay. I'm really glad and grateful to the person who said that springs with bust open clips don't need rebuilding, and that saved me a hell of a lot of money. Half Job, what are you doing? You know I've already bought these brand new springs. Honestly. Well, it looks like I forgot to mention pressing the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed watching this video, why don't you subscribe to my channel by pressing this button here. There's a playlist of me restoring my Series 2 Land Rover for you to watch right here. And here, there's probably some other videos that YouTube think you might want to watch. So you can watch those now. But thank you for watching.